Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Right? It's afternoon? Oh no, wow. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So...
Not liking it.
Not liking what?
That intro?
Why?
Good afternoon, you fucking Count Dracula?
Yeah. My boy Troy just picked me up from this train station. I had class today. My acting class. And now we're gonna go to BJ's, do some food shopping. That's like our favorite thing to do is food shop, right?
You're getting all like shit all over the floor.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Not cheap.
They're eating that crap.
Yeah, baby.
She's fiending. She keeps asking for a lot more. And all
Good for kids though.
I'm eating are pears. Anyone else like that? I love it. Me gusta mucho. It's still snowing a lot out here. It's a blizzard, right? This is a blizzard?
No.
Why not?
It's not a blizzard.
Oh, Kurt.
What the heck is this car doing on my side of the street?
I got paper in my mouth. Could have died.
Sure you won't die from paper. It dissolves. It's organic.
Anyways. So, I'm so sick and tired of so. I say so much. It's so annoying. Like, that's part of my vocabulary. How do you stop telling somebody to stop breathing? You know?
I'm not asking you to stop breathing. I'm asking you to stop saying so.
Today in class, I don't know why I just can't start with that instead of so. Today in class, I read a commercial copy. And I did really good. I'm not tooting my own horn, right? Beep, 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 beep. Wait, is it tooting my own horn or beeping my own horn? No.
Tooting.
Tooting.
No more right now, baby.
You would-
Almost done.
With the phrases I don't know, you would think I was born in a different country.
Sure.
I was born in Long Island.
Different country.
Different country. You know what they say about Long Island people?
No, I have no guess. Parents.
True. Yeah, my parents. My mom and dad. They ruined me. But anyways.
They didn't ruin you. It's a thing that is... Your parents aren't Americanized yet. Well, your mom is.
Okay, anyways. In class, I read a commercial copy, and I was super duper confident. I feel really good. I think these acting classes are really helping with my confidence, and I'm not shy talking and acting in front of other people. Because at first, when you're starting it, you get kind of shy. You're like, oh, I wonder what people are gonna say. Like, it gets better and better. And being me more, because when you're acting, you act, and you're not supposed to act. You're supposed to be you, being that character, which is hard. And I never knew how hard it was until I was in class.
Conforming the character into yourself, to your personality.
You were in class today?
No, that's what it is. It's conforming the character to you.
Maybe you should be a teacher.
No, I'm an actor.
He's an actor. He's like dying to act now. And I'll be the producer, I guess. Then we'll switch roles.
Go for it. I was DJ now.
No DJ. And yeah, so if you want to get into acting, said it again. So definitely take acting classes. And I did really good. I was confident. It was great. And Monday I have this audition. It's like an audition in front of a casting director and one of the owners, Valerie at Weiss Barron. And I'm not even nervous. Pretty much there with my confidence.
You're gonna rock it.
Huh?
You're gonna rock it.
I'm gonna rock it. Woo! Woo! Oh, this is I love you. Woo! Hey, you know what? I love you is like this in sign language. Isn't this like rock and roll too?
No, totally different.
What?
Rock and roll's the devil horns.
Oh, so you would do it this way?
Yeah, I love you is 4.
Oh.
No, rock and roll is just 2, dude.
Oh, it is?
It's 2, the devil horns.
Oh, no. That's what it means?
Yeah? You didn't know rock and roll's a devil?
Oh, that's why I hate rock and roll. I hate rock and roll. Devil worshippers.
There's no more left, Mama.
She's gonna freak out. Give her more.
I closed it. We're gonna eat it all in one shot.
Oh my god, my arm is killing me. Okay, peace out. Love you. Just love you.
Go shopping with your dad next weekend.
Why?
Don't you worry about it.
Why? What the hell do you and my dad have in common to go shopping together?
Money.
Money.
Dinero.
Is it
Pesos.
something big for me?
No, of course not. This would be nice for out in the yard at your dad's house.
Ah, oh yeah.
You can put it in the garden.
In the jardín.
How much you get this one though? Too much work. I don't want to run.
How loud would it be?
Oh, as loud as you put it.
I'm so short. I feel like everybody sees half of what I see.
They do. Do you know they make a little iPad thing for the kids?
What?
Like an actual tablet for kids.
I don't know.
Oh, you get this for $50 if you sign up now at Sprint.
Really? An iPad? That's not an iPad.
No, it's a Galaxy Tab.
That's good? Those are good?
Yeah, they're good.
How much would it be monthly?
I don't know. It's like a data plan.
Oh, because she needs one. She needs an iPad. At first, I didn't think iPads. At first, I didn't think kids should have iPads, but it's really good. It's really convenient. My friend has one for her son, and every time they go out, Maritza, every time, yeah, it develops motor skills, and I mean, technology is not going away, so they need it, and it keeps them entertained. When mommy and daddy are gonna enjoy a nice dinner at a nice restaurant, and they have a baby, they're crying, and she won't shut up. Keeps them occupied. For what, your imaginary Xbox that you have at the house? Who?
The boys.
Oh.
If I get like that and like all the
What?
if I buy 2 of these and they're Xbox Live.
That's good. Giggle. Daddy forgot Ziana's little barrette. So she's like a little boy with earrings. My little boy with earrings. That's what we call her. What? No, you like the Xbox too? Like your papa? No, you don't, right? No. We don't like that doo-doo. We don't like that doo-doo in this household.
I know, we gotta get an Xbox.
She's so excited.
We need to get an Xbox.
No, we don't. Go. You're such an idiot. Yeah, they dead ass. They were looking at you like he did something. So, I guess we're Christmas shopping.
That's dope.
What is that? Oh, that is so cool. It's so easy to shop for kids. Not for freaking 13, 14, 11-year-olds like Shay, Levi, Olivia, Jesse, Jacob.
Oh shit, I just thought about that. They're pushing them in the thing now.
What gifts are in the thing? What? What about it?
The gift is in the vlog. So
Oh, you think they actually watch this? Yeah. I know they don't. And if they do, oh
well. You cut that out.
well. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. They have good stuff here. Oh, look, B Toys. Shout out to B Toys. You got me all the free toys.
Oh, what are you talking about?
B Toys.
Look at that. That'd be so cute for Caleb. He can learn to shave with
Oh, that is cute.
Charles. Hair gel.
How? For what age? 3 and plus. That's so cute.
Free up.
That is cute.
Look at that, $17.
That's really, really cute. Oh, we already get
I
more.
know how to buy gifts for kids.
Wait, can we start on the other side like we usually do? We're starting like half-ass. Half booty. Oh. Oh my god, what else are we gonna get my mom? Is there any sex books? My mom likes sex books. She does. Last year I got her, what did we get her?
50 Shades of Grey.
That's so funny.
What do you want, bro?
I got my mom the 50 Shades of Grey, and she loved it. She went out to buy what, what was it, 1, 2, 3, all of the chapters or whatever. She loved it.
Well, at least like something like Chloe.
What is that?
Markers, scented set, but they all smell like watermelon, grapes, blueberries, limes, bananas, oranges.
So basically, more expensive crayons that you could smell with the stupid gift.
See, I never liked this. The kids will love this shit. You know, she would have said, Titi Bets, smell. No, now she didn't be like, Titi Bets, look at my ballerina, it just goes around.
Shut up, it's a pretty cool gift.
Here, what?
Give her something, give her a thing. Here, mira. Oh no, don't give her that. Give her a book. Rip that baby up. Ooh, it's a mirror. We like mirrors. Look, Ziana. Look, say hi. Hello. Mirror time.
Oh, sorry.
Look at yourself. Fix your hair. Tu pelo, mira. Look, right there, kid.
Yeah.
You blind? Psh. Psh. He's a liar. Why are you walking so fast?
It's like supermarket sweep.
Supermarket sweep. He's such a moron.
That's just something in the car. I always wanted to do that.
Beep beep.
Just go to a store and just load up mad cards, like crazy.
Groceries.
Like you're doing supermarket sweep, then get up and do not pay for a thing.
Wait, oh, you
Everyone
know
puts
what?
it away.
I forgot my credit card.
Oh, not even like that. You just have people make a finish line for you, blow through it, and just leave the carts. That's it.
Seasonings. They have sales on seasonings.
No.
Why?
Who would our spice cabinet?
I love seasonings. We need onion dust.
What is onion dust? Grind up an onion.
Onion seasoning. That's onion. What do they call it? Onion seasoning?
No.
Onion powder. There we go. Onion dust. Freaking. He hates when I get seasoning because last time I got like a whole bunch of seasonings and I still haven't used them. It's just good to have, you know, just in case. You never know. Who? We had a whole thing of pickles in there and you never ate them.
No, I didn't. I never had them.
Yes. And then when my dad grows pickles,
No,
you didn't eat those.
Cucumbers.
Oh.
You can't grow a pickle.
Really? Why?
It's a cucumber and then you vinegar it.
But why can't you grow
$2,
pickles?
Yana. You want one?
Why can't you grow pickles?
I'm doing it.
You don't know?
No, it's a cucumber. You grow a cucumber and then you pickle it into a pickle.
Really? So pickles are really pickles are really cucumbers? Really? How'd you know that?
I really want this. It's a good buy for $3.
How'd you know that? So get it. How'd you know that?
Because
It's a little random fact, you know?
there's just one thing in life that I grasp.
What is
It's
that?
knowledge.
They don't teach that in books, so don't say it's knowledge. Loser.
What do you mean they don't teach you? When they went to farmer college?
Probably.
Cooking school?
Cooking school.
We have bread?
Yeah, well, yeah. I had to throw a whole loaf of bread out.
So
'cause
do
that
we
metal.
need bread then?
No. We do need chips, though.
I don't know. That's all I know.
I
It's a
never-
very perverted song.
I never even heard that song.
About a guy wanting to slip something into her drink and she's questioning or some shit. I don't know.
So it's a rape song?
That's how it sounds. Like, she wants to know what's in the drink that he wants to give her.
Oh,
And no means no. Like, it's a very sketchy song.
oh, thank you, babe. I love munchies. You're the best boyfriend in the whole wide world.
Okay, stop playing. To the left.
To the left. This is actually right, you
know,
moron.
I
I know
wanna
you
see
didn't
you
know.
on this
You didn't know. You don't know your right to left, you loser.
Yeah. I was gonna see if you were paying attention.
Oh, yeah. Now it's up to
You
me.
started going right.
Yeah, yeah. No, I don't know why you quizzing me.
I told you we have brown rice.
We got brown rice though, right there. Is it Uncle Ben's brown rice?
Uncle Ben's original.
Oh, okay.
See, that's what we need to have. You know,
Coño.
brown rice is terrible.
Brown rice is good.
Awful.
Risotto.
Risotto.
This is what
Oh, you just need to add chicken broth to it. That's what makes it risotto.
this is what my homie makes. What's his name?
What?
My homie. Oh, I love Ramsey. I love him. He's an amazing guy.
Why don't you talk to the camera? There you go.
He's an amazing guy.
You like that? Your jam? Is that fun?
Come on, baby girl. Come on. This way. Ooh. There's Dada. Uh-oh. Oh, she wants to walk on her own. Come, baby. Yay. Come, let's walk. What? There's Daddy with all the bags. Come. Ooh. What is this, like about 2 inches, I would say? 2, 3, 2.5. She is loving it.
Grocery run part 1.
Oh yeah, he still has to go back to the car and get
Trilogy.
more. The trilogy, probably 3 times.
People can see it.
People can see what?
How much we buy for 2.5 people. We OD.
2.5 people, my daughter's not.
Even, she's a quarter. My hands are frozen.
As is my right hand.
Halfway.
We use the stroller as our cart.
No wheelbarrow.
Look at that booty. Shake that bum. Uh-oh. His back is killing him. Oh, well, there's some dummies parked retarded. People, when you park bumper to bumper. I mean, it's ridiculous. You don't need 20 feet apart from another bumper. Come, Ziana. Come, Ziana. Look up. You gotta look up. Oh! Mommy almost fell. No, this way. Oh, crap. Kid. This way. You gotta follow the other footsteps. Yeah, follow the footsteps. Uh-oh. Oh, there's Dada. Look, guys! Look at my bedazzled shower curtain. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Sequence. And look who, and guess who picked it out? That guy right there.
Yeah.
He likes bedazzled stuff. Right, babe?
Yeah, I think it looks so cheap.
It does not. Do you think that it looks cheap?
I hate bedazzle. I hate rhinestones. I hate all that stuff.
It doesn't look cheap. You think it looks cheap?
No, I'm saying this. I hate them things.
But it doesn't look cheap. It looks nice.
It looks absolutely fabulous. Come. Put your cape on. It's your bath time cape.
I love it. I love it. I love
It's
it.
your bath time cape.
Really? Gonna fix your hair? Ooh. Look at those little feet right there. Oh my god. Ow! My boobie. Your feet are like an old lady. They're wrinkly feet. They're wrinkly feet. Ah!
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights.
Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights.
Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights.
Yay! Right here. Prende la luz.
Turn on the lights.
Prende la luz.
Turn on the lights.
Prende, prende.
Turn them on. Turn them on. Yeah. Turn
Pa
them
arriba, pa arriba, pa arriba.
on. So push it up.
You taking out, Z? Libro?
I know. We gotta look for books too.
That book is like for 6th graders or something, or 4th graders.
Okay.
Let me see. Read me a
Want
book.
me to read?
Give me a book. Give me. Uh-oh. Right here. Right here, baby. I'm sorry.
You see her?
She lays down just like me.
She likes to read, Ma.
The old man and his son. What is that? Once upon a time. Once upon a time, there was a man who had 3 sons. You're so weird. Calling all my girls, da na na na. We can talk, and na na na, bow, bow, loud, wow, wow, wow. Oh, oh, oh. She loves Auntie Bethany.
Are you dancing to Bethany?
Calling all my girls, da na na, da na 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 na.
Clock, you know what that means?
Time to run around naked.
We are gonna sleep in tomorrow
Who?
for at least an hour.
Who's gonna sleep in?
We.
No, I get to sleep in till 12. I haven't slept in a month. Seriously, this is what we do. We pick one day, Saturday or Sunday, who gets to sleep in. I sleep in on Sundays, he sleeps in on Saturdays. That's just how it
It
goes.
wasn't always like that.
How was it?
For months, I was sleeping in. Well, let's. All right, that's it. I never slept in.
Lies. Lies he tells. Why are you lying to the people? People don't like
No.
liars.
This shit's good.
Ew.
Jacqueline's? Sponsor her.
Sponsor him.
Now we got the vlog on. Can I knight you? I want to give you what's in the box. It's not really a Christmas gift, that's the thing.
I don't care. You told me with the Christmas gift.
There's
Now
not.
that's it.
There's
It's
not.
ruined. It's a Christmas gift.
There's not.
What is it?
You know how I was telling you about my boy?
No. Your boyfriend? Ziana!
Well, we got to thinking. I got a light.
Oh, wait.
And I did this after the fact that I really mentioned to you. But this is why every time you watch the Niners, you might lose. I got you that.
What a loser. Let me see here. If I don't
You got
like
knighted
you.
into the community. You're a part of the family now.
Oh, really?
You're part of the family.
I'm part of the family.
You have to wear it on Sundays.
Really? What if it's hot outside?
You gotta figure out how you're gonna wear it.
Does it look good? I don't
I
like
don't know.
myself in beanies.
Okay, if you don't want them, you keep them myself then.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Niners family. I don't even know if you're on screens.
Niners! Woo! Don't care about football, but Niners, woo! You wanna try it on? You can share it.
No, that's alright. It's yours.
Let me
Mine,
see.
I got one too. Kidding. I got a hat.
What's in that box,
I
Bob?
can't tell what's in the box.
What is in that box?
It's not for me.
Let me see.
No, you can't have that till
Yes,
Christmas.
no, you're not. You're BSing now, because I know
No.
it's for
You
you.
didn't ruin a Christmas
No,
present.
it's for you.
No, you're right.
You're telling me that so I don't see. Bob, let me see.
If you open this, it's gonna ruin Christmas for you. Okay, you want it? If you want to open that now, that's your other Christmas present. It's gone. It's ruined.
What is it?
Then just take it now.
No, it's for you.
No, it's not.
Okay, I don't want to look at it
Then
now.
you already.
No, I didn't see anything.
You ruined it.
No, it's for
You
you.
felt it.
That's what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Reverse psychology.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Then here, it's yours.
See, this is why you're doing it. Oh, see here, look, it's yours. It's such a lie.
This was your Christmas
You
gift.
swear on your grandmother.
It's for my nanny.
It's mine.
It's yours.
Okay, I don't want to see it though. Oh, great, the kid.
You already know what it is. You touched it.
What happened? You locked yourself in. That's your fault.
Girl. Oof and nothing.
Un besito. Un besitito. Kiss, kiss. Couscous. You washed the toothbrush? You washed it? Beso.
Turn off the
I love
lights.
you. Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights.
Paga la luz.
Turn off the lights.
Paga la luz. Buena chica.
Good chica.
Good night, baby. I love you, love you, love you, love you, Buddha Belly. I love you to the moon and back. I love you to Mars and Pluto and all around the universe and back. 1 gazillion, trillion, bazillion, gazillion, zillion, mazillion times. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go take a bath. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. No, tomorrow evening or morning. I don't know. Maybe at the party. Hasta luego. Macaracachimba. Buenas noches.